related content here. We are multicultural here. We are inclusive. So if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. This is one of my car vlogs, and I had like this idea this morning to call it like Wiggy Tales and Tips. So that's what I think I might call this series.
Wiggy Tales and Tips.
Because today I'm just doing it like a little quick wig tips type video, and hence Wiggy Tales and Tips. What you can do if you want to add a little bit of curl or wave to your wig and you either can't use heat because it's not heat safe, or you do not want to do that. So if that is what you're interested in, that's what this video is for. So the tip that I want to share with you today is, instead of using heat, or if your wig is not heat safe, try using sea salt spray. Because you can really get, if it's a wavy wig or a curly wig, if there's just like sections of it that, you know, really just aren't looking great, or if you want to pump up the volume, instead of using heat, you might want to try sea salt spray. I have several videos on this topic that I will share with you. And I just, I was editing something for another video with regard to sea salt spray, and I was like, you know, you really could pump up the volume with sea salt spray, and I'm not sure people know that that is an alternative to using heat, especially if you want to pump the volume up on a wig, maybe for an occasion or something, but overall you kind of like the style and the pattern that it has. Sea salt spray is a way that you can do it, because once you wash it, it goes back to normal. So when you use heat on a synthetic wig, you're essentially changing those fibers and you're changing their shape. And so this is a way that you can kind of get a little bit of what you're looking for without having to use heat. So really that is all the tip that I have. This is a short and sweet, and I will link below, and also in the eye, I will link a bunch of videos that show you how to use sea salt spray and some before and afters. But overall, I just wanted to share that tip with you today. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Why am I taking it to that level? I don't know. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.